Hello, my friend. I want to share some information with you about our machines and systems we produce and offer to the customers, egg producers, to offer solution to their grading and packing needs. We have two different versions of egg grading and packing systems. First one is this one. We call it like where it is like this. The DX version, and the other one is our system, what we called like this. I will come to that point later. First, I'd like to share some information about this system. We use common grading technology, common electronics structure, common software base, and we have common quality level. We always keep it stable, keep it constant, and we always offer the same quality for all the machines. When we check the sections, we have the same handling method, same handling area, same grading technology, same packing lanes, totally the same lanes here. But the difference is the transfer of eggs from the grading section to the lanes. This version of the grading system designed and produced only in accordance with couple special customers. They insisted on this kind of grading system, and we designed and produced, and we continue to produce this kind of system as well when it is requested, when it is intentionally requested and insisted on it. Because in some countries, some customers need to print multiple raw text on each egg. When this is the case, when they like to have continuous inkjet type printing systems, to be able to have this freedom to print lots of text on each single egg, this kind of transfer method is needed to place the printing head of this kind of continuous inkjet printing systems. Egg must be carried like this on a single or double row, depends to the capacity. But for this capacity levels, all of the machines, all of the versions carry the eggs through one single egg transfer system. What we call here is in our solution, we call it as egg carrier car system. So servo-driven, speed and acceleration controlled egg carrier car system we use. Designed and patented by us. And so when you need to print like this, if you need to print like this, if you are obliged to print like this, this is the method we offer. But if you do not have this kind of restriction or obligation to print that much text on each single egg, then we never advise this system, because this single line egg transfer system, carrier system, and this tunnel structure creates sensitivity on the total system and creates risk factor on total system. As company policy, as BG Mechatronics company, we always aim to design and produce the most durable, most user-friendly, which is the most easy to handle, easy to clean, easy to maintain machines available on the market. This is our aim. For this reason, we intentionally designed this totally open design, grading, and packing system. And nearly 99% of our customers, when they check by themselves, when they check for them their eyes, they they ex- uh, they understand the philosophy, and they see the difference, and they decide to buy this version. As an example, we sold this system to China, Japan. We sold this system to the home country of MOBA, Stalcat, and Princeton, Netherlands. We sold a couple systems in Netherlands, in Denmark, in France, in Spain, Algeria, Morocco, Iran, Iraq, Georgia. In total, 38 countries have this system machine. Since it is totally open structure, it has totally open structure, and it is totally demountable machine. Starting from this accumulating table, this is removable, rollers removable and cleanable. All the gate modules are removable easily, just in seconds, and removable, cleanable, all the bars. And you see, there is no closed tunnel area. All of the sections are easily observable units. For this reason, there is no hidden point inside the machine, which may cause excess dirt collection in it. And when there is no excess dirt collection inside the machine do not get damaged, do not get more pressure than expected. In the same philosophy, the accumulating section of this packer unit is totally removable, gate unit removable, roller section totally removable, silicon discs removable, elevator removable, and just in seconds, less than 1 minute, you are able to remove all the sections out from the body, and only the motor and the electrical control panel resides in the body. There is all the removed parts can be easily washable by using power wash, like you do it for your car. You can apply high pressure cleaning, and you may do cleaning properly by this way. You may apply some air to get rid of the excess water, and you may apply some air to dry the parts. Then just a small pieces of spray oil for the chains, not much, only small amount, just to make it wet enough. This is enough to do proper cleaning. By this way, you can run this machine easily for more than 20 years period. In your country, we have all the D101 capacity version, 12,000 capacity machines. But when you need to have bigger capacity, if I were you, I would definitely invest on this kind of machine. This is the bigger version. This is a 75,000 egg per hour grading system unit, designed for a customer from Iraq, and we are the other one. You see, there is a new one over there being produced. When we finish this system, next week we will finish and ship this one to the customer. Then we will put this here. Then we will connect its picker lanes like this. We will just put the 45,000 egg per hour, which is the one I will offer you. We will put it here and connect its packing lanes in the same way. It will look like the same because the design is the same. Since this is a 75,000 egg per hour grader, this one has 10 egg with rollers. On each roller 10 egg goes inside the machine. On that one 45 version, 6 egg goes inside, 6 egg rollers. This one have 10 egg roller, 75,000 egg per hour grading system. For 90,000 egg per hour system we use 12 row rollers, 12 row in feed, 12 row gates like this. But on the exit side it's all the same. We just prefer to have this kind of open design to let you see everything and to let you reach everything, every part, every section on the machine. By this way, all through the lifetime of the machine, if there is no terrible mistake on the machine which will create serious damage on the machine, you will not need to ask for any service operation. This is the experience we have with this machine. When we install, it takes just 1 day for the operators to get used to run this machine. I just advise you the same system, but another point, our packing lanes, I already shared some information with you about these lanes. These lanes are packer machines actually. In our system, all the units are stand-alone machines which is capable of communicating with each other. When we put them together to create a system, they are able to communicate and work together. Our packing machines, our packing units, our packing lanes are the highest speed, fastest lanes in the market. When they pack into 30 egg flat trays, maximum capacity of each packing lane is 40,000 egg per hour. In the worst case, 10 egg small package, maximum capacity of each packing lane reduces to 22,000 eggs per hour, again, which is the maximum speed offered by this kind of lanes among the others. As an example, in your grading system or of old grading system, as far as I know, the packing capacity of each lane is only around 10,000 eggs per hour. For this reason, since the unit packing lanes, unit capacity of each packing lane is low levels, they offer many packing lanes to cover the packing need of the grading system. But in our system, since we are offering really high speed packing lanes compared to the others, we do not need to offer that much packing lanes. For by this way, customers may not need to have that many packing lanes. This makes them save really good level when they need to invest on this kind of equipment. For this reason, most of the MOBA owners, MOBA brand grading system owners, prefer us when they need to buy new systems, new machines. And for most of the projects, we already offered the solution and got the order and sold the machine. And by experience, we know that Nearly our system costs half of the system offered by MOBA for the same capacity systems. And I will make a small calculation for you, and I will share the results of this calculation for you, and I will share my offered configuration actually, because in your capacity you have really few eggs. This machine is capable of grading 45,000 eggs per hour as maximum capacity, and its speed is adjustable between 25,000 till to 45,000. You may decide and adjust the speed just in seconds through the touch screen user interface. But the question is, when you grade this all your egg into 4, 5, or 6 different group of eggs, different sizes, each section gets really few amount of eggs. For this reason, only one or two lane actually needs packing lanes. I do not advise you to have that many packing lanes for your system. Probably only two packing machines will be enough for your system, for your needs, because they will pack the biggest amounts, and the rest of the lanes will get so few eggs actually. Your workers may easily pick them by hand. I will show you couple alternative offers examples, and we may discuss later when you check them, when you have time to check them, and you may evaluate this chance. If you have any question, you may ask me, and it will be my pleasure to explain you, my friend. Have a nice day.